Okay. So we've checked into our room, which is 1109 in the Mehood Elegant Hotel Shanghai Bund. And this is it. It looks absolutely gorgeous. But we did pay for a 180-degree high-rise night view king-size room, and it wasn't ready because we have checked in half an hour before we should. So they charged us an extra £50. So originally we paid £129.59, and we had to then pay another £55 to be upgraded to this room, which is a lot bigger. To be honest, it was worth it. It's a lot of money, an extra 55 that we haven't budgeted for, but I am so tired. And when we started checking in, it was 2 o'clock. Yeah, 2 o'clock. And I just wanted to get to the room. I am so tired. We've been awake for I don't know how many hours, but we've walked and walked. We've been walking for the last 6 hours. So we're back out tonight because we've done the Pearl Tower tonight and today. Well, we've just eaten, and you would have seen that. Tonight we've got Shanghai Tower booked. That is booked at 6:30 till 8:30. We're there. 6:30 we need to be there. So we will have time, hopefully. It's 2:30 now. Hopefully we're going to have time for an hour rest. Because my back is screaming. It's really sore now, and a shower and get ready for tonight. But let me show you around. So as you walk in through the door, you have, and you're seeing all this for the first time with me, there's a drawer there. I'm not sure whether you can open this or not. Don't know. No, I don't think you can. A desk where we've just thrown everything down on, and a chair. This lovely sofa type thing. And then we've got some snacks in there. Now the all-you-can-eat buffet that we've just been to, we could eat as much as we want, but I only had I had 2 lots of soup. And look at that view. 2 lots of soup and just small amount to eat because I was just so tired I didn't want to eat. Something that was putting me off was the amount of food that everybody around me was having as well. Wonder whether that happens with anybody else. Oh, that looks good. I think there's 2 beers in there. And then that's the mini bar. And then you've got the TV. The bed looks absolutely huge. Pandy's gone straight into the bathroom. And yeah, beautiful view. Beautiful view. There's a rooftop bar over there as well. And then this opens up to a mirror. That's nice. Not sure what's in.
Yeah, actually.
No, have a look at the mini bar price. Oh, there's a pen.
What's that?
Pencil in there. There's a mini bar price. I don't know whether what's free or isn't. It's cute. Got a charging lead in there. That's handy. Thank you for that. That's really cute. Some wardrobe space.
Ooh.
And I'm just about to run out of battery, so I'll have to be quick. This bathroom is absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. Massive shower. Could fit about 6, I reckon, in there. Oh, is this a toilet that opens up when you go to it? No. So I don't know how to. Pandy will have to show me how to work that one. 34, whatever that is. To wait 34 more minutes, I don't know. And then body lotion, something else. A sink which isn't draining by the looks of it. hair dryer, and we've got odds and ends in there, another water. The bathtub is absolutely stunning. Look at that bathtub. Lots of towels. Pandy's fiddling around with the lights. Yeah, something, disposable bathtub cover. Never seen that before. And bath milk, bubble bath. Oh, the thought of a bubble bath at the moment is fantastic. This is really puzzling me, this toilet. Don't know. No. Happy travel. Yes, so very, very happy with this room, which is wasted because we're just so tired. But please keep on watching us for more to see what we get up to next. And look at this. Wow. How posh is that? You're fiddling around with things. Oh, that's better. Oh my gosh. I could have killed for a shower, and just had a shower, just had about an hour and a half sleep, then a wonderful, wonderful shower, the best shower in the world. And I think it was a good shower. I just so needed it. Now we're going to, we have an appointment at Shanghai Tower in between where are we? 6:30 and 8:30 tonight. So I'm assuming we can turn up between those times, and it's just to have a look around the tower. They have light show and things like that in Shanghai. So we'll be doing that, but I think we're going to start off up on the rooftop bar at the hotel where we are, the Mehood Elegant Hotel, the Bund. I think we're going to go and have a look up there first, then go over to Shanghai Tower, and then might try and find the Captain's Bar, Captain Morgan's Bar. It was called something like that, and the lovely lady cabin crew that I met yesterday, she also mentioned it and said it's very Instagrammable, so I expect you guys would like it. But she said Captain Morgan's. I thought it was called Captain Morgan's, but it's not coming up on Didi or on AMAPS, which are the two that you can use. Since I've signed into the hotel, I don't seem to be able to go on to Google either. But Pandy said we'll have a look when we're out. We've got 2 things planned anyway, so of course we'll take you with us wherever we go. Oh, I found a rooftop bar, but it doesn't look as if it's open. Meeting space.
A meeting room, isn't it?
Yeah, and stage. And it is raining, we've discovered, so we need to go back and get umbrellas anyway. Oh well, let's go back into the darkness.
Yeah, that's what I've done by me. Won't see you, is it?
No. We just spoke to the lovely Bogart in the hotel, and he was really, really helpful. He's lovely. Hi, if you're watching. And he said that the rooftop bar at our hotel is closed just for today, and it's open back up tomorrow. That was the main reason we booked, but there you go, we can't have it always. We're here at Shanghai Tower to go up to the... I don't know, we'll go and ask. To go up on top. Exciting.